Hi, welcome to our house.
Welcome.
So, this is the dining area. Moving ahead, this is the living area, the couch area, followed by the kitchen. And this is the study room. So we've got this, almirah changed. We had the ready-to-use almirah, and we've got it changed because we wanted a bigger mirror. Plus, we wanted a color theme. This is the master bedroom. Then, of course, not really big, but yes, a small area wherein I can have my chill time and a binge watching area. Moving ahead, this is the third room, parents' room. We wanted parents' room to be very simple because parents need more space when they're here to meet us. So we've kept it very light. Thank you so much for visiting our house. We are really happy to have you guys here because this is the place which is very personal for both of us, and we do not invite anyone or everyone here. So, this is the place. Thank you.